Hello everyone, today in this video we'll be discussing the solution for the longest substring without repeating characters. Okay, let me explain you the question. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Okay, for example, if the string given is this, okay, what is a substring basically? Substring means the continuous characters inside a string which are like continuous. Okay, and what in this question is that we should find the substring without repeating characters. Okay, means ABC can be that, and BCA means continuous characters without any repeating characters. Okay, and what is the longest of that substring which we can find? Okay, that one we have to find out in this question. So let me explain the approach of this question. Suppose that the let's take the same substring here, ABC and BB. Okay, so this is a substring which we have, and in this substring, in this string, how many substring we can form? This one substring A, AB, ABC, like that till BB, till A to B. Okay, and we can start from B, BC, like that we can go till the end. From C we can start, and eventually we can go till the end. We can find out the length of each of these separately, and we can find out which is the longest one. That's one approach, but that will take a lot amount of time. So what we have to do is we have to find out an optimized solution. For that, what we'll be doing is it's a very simple procedure. We'll be keeping two pointers, left and right pointer, and here we have the set. Okay, what does set do? It will store just the unique values. For example, wherever R is there, we'll be comparing that element. A is there in the set or not? If it's not there, we'll add it. Okay, after adding the element, we'll increment R value. B will be checked. B is there or not? It's not there, so we'll add B in it. Okay, so we have A and B in the set. Alright, then R will be incremented to C. C is not there, C will be added, and then A. Okay, A is here, so A is already there in the set. Whenever the letter is already there in the set, what we'll do is we'll increment the L. Okay, L will be here, L will be now here. Okay, and each time what we'll be doing is we'll be keeping the count of the maximum length of the substring which we had formed. This is a valid substring BCA. What is the length? 3. That we can easily find out by L minus R plus 1. Okay, so this is the current greatest substring. Okay, and then we'll be incrementing the R value. R value will be incremented here, and we'll be checking B is there or B is there in the subset or not. It's already there, so therefore we'll increment L. Okay, so L will be here, and in the same way we'll be doing for again like incrementing R, and we'll be checking the element is there or not. See, it's there, so L will be incremented, L will be coming here. Okay, and whenever we get a unique substring, we'll be checking the length and updating the maximum length. Okay, and now we have the maximum length as 3 only, and then like that only same thing, R and L will be incremented till the end. Okay, so R and L will come here, R and L. Now till then we'll have found out the maximum length which will be outputting. Okay, so this is the approach of the question. Let's see the coding part. In the coding part, first since we are using sets, what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a hash map here. Okay, so basically why are we creating a hash map? Hash map is for storing the character and at which location it is. Okay, the character and the location will be stored, so therefore we'll have character comma integer. Integer will store the index number. Okay, let's quickly create this map here. Alright, the hash map is created, and we'll have the two pointers. Left is equal to 0. Initially both will be at 0, and right will be at 0. Okay, and after that, to store the length, we will be creating a length variable which will also be which will also be initialized as 0. And for storing the length of the string, we'll be having the n variable in which we'll be storing the length of the string. Okay, and after that we'll be running a while loop till the end. Okay, till right reaches the end, and we'll be comparing each character. Okay, now what we are comparing here is if the character we are at right is that having the key or not. Okay, means is that already occurred or not, that we are checking. Okay, if it's already not occurred, at that time we have to initialize the left here. Left will be like math.math. I'll be explaining it, don't worry. Let's first write the code. So basically, what we are doing in this code, okay, in this code, what we are trying to do is, yeah, basically in this code, if mpp dot contains key s.char at right, wherever right is pointing to, if right is pointing to this location, suppose that right is pointing to this location, okay, if right is pointing to this location, and does the map already contain this or not? What does map have? Map has the characters here and the integers, okay, means the index value and the character is here, okay. So the character A is already present here and the integer value is 0 because we had already encountered that, okay. So it's already present. In case if the letter is already present at the index, at that time what we have to do, okay. If it's already present, we have to increment the left value, right? That's what I told earlier. If it's already present here, we have to increment the left value. How much we should increment? To the next location, okay, means after A, okay. What was the last occurrence of A? Plus 1, okay. So the last occurrence of A was this one, plus 1, okay, comma left. Left means at this same position only, okay. We are getting the maximum value. If we increment, that will be more forward, or if we keep at that place only, that will be more forward, okay. So that's being checked here, and after that we are just putting the character if it's not there. So s dot char x. So don't worry if you are feeling difficult to understand the concept. We'll be solving a lot of questions, right? So the concept will become easier over time, okay. So what we are doing here is map dot put. We are putting the value of this character with the index number right, okay. So since it's a new character now, we have to update the value. A will be marked with the index value of right. This is right, okay. This is right. The index value of right is 3 in this case. So 0 will be updated to 3. So this is the new value of A. So A will be pointing to here, okay. L will also come here, okay. Means if A was here only, means before this also A was there, then L would have come here, but L will be now here, okay. Like in this case, what will happen is, since two digits are repeated before each other, like same digits are same characters are here. So in this case, what will happen is L will come here, okay. Means it this position, because left plus 1, okay. So we have written here, we have put the value, and then we'll be keeping the count of length also. So we'll be keeping the count of length also. Length is equal to math.max. We are calculating if the current length is more or the length of right minus left plus 1. Is this more or the current length we have? That will be updated accordingly, and then we'll do right plus plus. Okay, we'll be moving one character ahead, okay, and then we'll return the length. So let's run this code and see if it works. So yeah, this has accepted the code. Let's submit it. Yeah, that's all for this question, and thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me, and I'll see you in the next one.